All right, solve each system by graphing and check the solution. This set is quite easy because um, there's not a lot of difficulty in graphing these lines. I'm going to graph the first one in red here. Let me do that again. I'll just circle it. That one we'll do in red. And what we have is x equals -3, meaning we need to plot, let's say, 2 points that have an x coordinate of -3. So here we go over to -3, comma 5, let's say, and we put a point. And we can go to -3, comma -1 right there and put another point. Or essentially, another way, a shortcut of doing it is saying I need to put a line that runs through the x-axis at -3, and I know because I only see one variable that it's either going to be perfectly vertical, perfectly horizontal, and of course these types of lines will be perfectly vertical because they have to cut through the x-axis. So you can draw a line like that right here, and we're good. Now let's do the next one, y equals 5. And of course, we're going to draw a line that's perfectly horizontal because it's got to go through the y-axis at 5. Another way you could do it is to say I need to graph 2 points that have a y-coordinate of 5. So we could say 2, comma 5. Let's say that one right there. And maybe -5, comma 5 right there. But essentially, we don't even need to do that because we can just say we're going to draw a line that has to cut through the y-axis at 5, and so we get this particular line right here. And just extend that down. And then where do they cross? Well, where do they cross is this point right here. And what are the coordinates of that point? The coordinates of that point are -3, comma 5. Huh. What do you know? Look it over here. This says x equals -3. Since every point on the red line has an x coordinate of -3, then the point we're looking for will have an x coordinate of -3 as well. So we already know that the point is going to have an x coordinate of -3. And of course, this one says the y coordinate is going to be 5 for every point, so the y coordinate is going to be 5 for the point we're looking for as well, meaning our y coordinate is going to be 5. And essentially the two equations are telling us what is x going to be, what is y going to be. -3, comma 5. And I will substitute it in just so you can see. If we have x equals -3, then we say, okay, we have x is -3, and we get -3 equals -3. Check. Okay, and then we can have the equation y equals 5, and we're going to put parentheses there and say, well, we have to substitute in the y coordinate, and the y coordinate is 5, and of course 5 equals 5, check. You don't really need to, I mean, it says check your solution, so you should do it, but you should already just be able to look at this and know exactly what's going on. So there you go.